Alright guys, now let's have a look how to add and show images inside our Flutter application. The first thing I want to do is to comment this text. I will keep the center, but the child this time will be an image. Then inside the image, I will type again image. Inside here, I must specify the type of the image. We have some types for the image. We have network image, and we have a set image. The network image is an image that can be found online and we display it in our application. The asset image is an image we already have inside our application in some folder here. So let's start with the network image. Here after image I will type network image. Then inside the network image we must give a path for this network image. And we need to have const f before center. So let's paste our link for the image here. I will go to the browser and here I have this image. I will copy image address, then go back to Address Studio and paste it. Now if I save it, we shall see the image instead of this text. It may take some time to load, but here we are. And this is how we show a network image in Flutter. Now let's have a look how to show asset image, how to show an image we already have inside our project, not from network image or from any source. So what I need to do, instead of saying network image, I will delete that. I will say asset image. Alright, here I must provide the path for this asset image. Now, before we go further, what I need to do, I must add the images. So I will come here to styles example. I will right click it, new. I will add directory. I will call it images. Then I've already downloaded some images. So I will copy them and paste them inside this folder. I will hit paste, then refactor. And here we have our 3 images. They are inside our application now. Before I say images or give the path here, I need to let our application know that we have images here. So what we need to do, we need to go to the configuration file, which is pubspec.yaml. So I will open it up, and here assets, I will uncomment it, then Shift tab, then tap once and delete this one. We don't need it. We need this one. Images, we have here sample image.jpg. I will remove it. We have the same folder name, images. Then I want to show, for example, the birds.jpg. So I will type birds.jpg and click on pubget. Wait for it to finish. Then go to the main, and if this message appear, click get dependencies. It's basically pubget again. So inside here now we can specify the path for our image. I will say images, then birds.jpg, save it, and hopefully we will see the birds image, and we do. So what if I want to show this sun image? I will head back to pubspec.yaml, add another link for this image, sun.jpg, then click pubget, wait for it to finish, then go back to the main and change the name of this image. I will say sun, it's the same extension, jpg. I will save it, and here we have sun.jpg. So what if I want to have this animal? Shall I go back to the pubspec.yaml and edit it and add it and then click pubspec? No, this is what if we have, for example, 100 photo or 100 picture inside our images folder. Do I need to type them each and every one inside here? This would be a bad practice. So I will remove it and I will just give it a path for our images folder, for our directory only. Then click pub.get. wait for it to finish, then go to the main.dart, and here, if I save it now, we shall see the sun image again. If I type birds, we shall see the birds image. If I type animal, we shall see the animal image. Also, if I add a new image now inside here, we only have to specify the name for this image to show it. We don't have to go to the pubspec.yaml anymore. Alright. And that's how we show images inside our application. But we have sometimes a different approach, which is an easier one. Sometimes we use it, sometimes we use this one. So I will erase everything here, and instead of opening brackets, then saying image, then saying assets or network image, I will just type dot here, and here I have the images type. We have network image, we have asset image. Let's start with the network one. I must provide the src. I'll go to Safari, then copy image address again, then head back here and paste it, and remove the const definitely. Then save our application, wait for it a little bit, and yeah, here we have it. And even for asset image, we just say image.asset, and then provide the path for our image, images/sun.jpg, and here we go. That's how we show images in different ways. Now, what if I want to show a circular image? Sometimes, for example, if we are having a user profile, sometimes we show circular image. To show a circular image, instead of saying image.asset, I will remove it. I will say circle avatar. Then inside the circle avatar, we have child property. Inside the child, we can now type our image. So I will say image.asset, and now say images/sun.jpg, and save it. Now it's really small, so I will just increase the radius for this circle avatar. I will say, for example, 150, then save it. As you can see, it doesn't look good, and this image is above the circular avatar. So instead of saying child, we can say background image, and here we might have an error. To solve this error, I want to copy the path so I don't write it again. To solve this error, instead of saying image.asset, I will assume that I'm having image, then inside it I'm having image. So this image, we used to type here asset image, then give it the path, right? So I will assume that this background image is like this image right here. So I will remove this image and immediately type asset image, and it's complaining about the const. So let's add it and let's save it, and here we go. That's how we show a circular image. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.